Hey there, welcome to a new segment here on Mindful Moments, where every first and last Monday of the month, we're going to take a moment to pause, breathe, and reconnect. Life moves fast, and sometimes you just need a little space to slow down. And that's exactly what these guided meditations will be for. A chance to reset, recharge, and find a little peace. So, find a comfortable position, sitting, lying down, whichever feels best for you. Close your eyes, or soften your gaze if you like. And let's begin. Take a deep breath. Inhale deeply through your nose and exhale through your mouth. Feel the air fill your lungs. And as you exhale, let go of any tension you're holding. Let's do that again. Inhale deeply and exhale slowly. Notice the coolness of the air as you inhale and the warmth as you exhale. Now bring your attention to your body. Notice how you're sitting or lying down, feeling the weight of your body resting, feeling supported. Starting from the top of your head, slowly scan down through your body. Take a gentle scan from head to toe. Starting with the top of your head, notice any tension in your forehead, jaw, or neck. If you feel tightness, imagine each breath softening those areas. Move to your shoulders. Let them drop a little lower. Release any weight you're carrying there. Feel your arms, your hands, completely at rest. Notice the gentle rise and fall of your chest. Now, bring awareness to your stomach. Is it holding tension? Let it soften with your next breath. Now, scan down through your legs, all the way to your feet. Feel the points of contact, your body resting against the surface beneath you. With every exhale, imagine stress melting away. Notice any areas of tightness or discomfort. With each breath, let yourself settle a little deeper into relaxation. Now, bring your awareness to this moment. There's nothing to do, nowhere to be, just this space, just your breath. If thoughts come up, that's okay. Acknowledge them, and gently bring your focus back to your breath. Breathe in and out. Your mind is still wandering. Imagine each thought as a leaf floating down a river. You don't have to hold on to it, just let it drift by, turning your focus to your breath. Now, take one more deep breath in, and exhale completely. When you're ready, slowly bring your awareness back to the room. Wiggle your fingers, your toes. If your eyes were closed, gently open them. And I hope this meditation helped you find a little peace today. If you'd like more, remember, I'll be doing these on the first and last Monday of every month. So if you haven't already, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And remember, be kind, and you matter.